How to troubleshoot a Stihl chainsaw with a flooding engine. If given the opportunity to flood, a 2-cycle engine will do just that. It is best to prevent this from happening, but if it does, it is a problem that can be fixed. The fuel has to be removed from the combustion chamber, which on the surface sounds complicated. It just takes a little time to complete. Things you will need: spark plug removal tool, rags, spark plug replacement optional. Move the master control switch to the cold start position. Turn the twist lock on the carburetor cover 90 degrees to the left and remove the carburetor cover. Clean the air filter. Pull the spark plug wire off of the spark plug and remove the spark plug from the cylinder head. Wipe the spark plug clean. Check the condition of the plug while it is out and replace the spark plug if it is in bad shape. Move the master control switch to the stop position. Pull on the engine starter multiple times to clear the fuel out of the cylinder. Replace the spark plug and attach the spark plug wire. Set the master control switch to the warm start position, push in the decompression valve button, which will open the decompression valve on the side of the chainsaw, and pull start the engine. The engine should now start.